Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll walk through how to convert a dashboard into a sketchy, editable wireframe using the MockFlow WireframePro Chrome Extension. Here's the dashboard page we'll be working with for this demonstration. In your Chrome browser, click the MockFlow WireframePro extension. Choose Full Page to capture the entire dashboard. Toggle on Draw in Sketchy Style, then decide whether to create a new project or select an existing one. For this video, we'll use an existing project. Just pick the design space and project where the wireframe will be saved. The wireframe editor opens next. Click Import to bring the dashboard in as a sketchy wireframe. Once imported, you can also click Open in New Window to work in a separate tab. Your dashboard is now a fully editable wireframe. Add icons from the MockFlow library, tweak layouts, and make any customizations you need. And that's it. You've successfully converted a dashboard page into an editable wireframe in minutes using the MockFlow WireframePro Chrome Extension. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MockFlow extension tips.